Well, I also read into this, so I dove into this a little bit. Do you know what on the last 5 years is the increased rebuild cost? 5 years going back, 2019, right before COVID, to right now. What is the total inflation rate on the labor, the subcontractors, and all, copper, lumber, drywall, all the things you would have to do if you're State Farm, because you're going to pay people to rebuild your house, half burned down, all burned down, rebuild. 31% increase in the rebuild cost. So the insurers are looking at it saying, wow, Vinny, I'm not trying to gouge you here. If your house burned down right now in California, it's costing me 31% more today than it did 5 years ago to rebuild that. And part of your insurance is going into a pool. Only some of the people have a house burned down, and out of that pool has to come the recovery or the rebuild cost. So there's also the rebuild cost, and then there's also, they're calling it climate change risk, but this was the state mismanaging its relationship with PG&E, because PG&E and these ancient transmission lines arced and caused the Northern California wildfires of the last 3 years. It's a fact. That's what caused these. It was mismanagement. They didn't get out and cut the timber and make what's called fire lines, where you can see, you fly in an airplane and you'll see the high tension wires or the power lines with like little valleys cut in the trees. They didn't do that.